when we first thought about the process of how we would develop this project, we decided that we would need a design methodology. The methodology that made the most sense to us as a team is Agile Scrum. Now, this is mainly because Agile Scrum is what we have been taught in the degree program. It's what we were taught in most of our classes that rely on process or teach process. In fact, we don't know any other process really in depth. So we figured that would be good in that sense. We also knew that Agile Scrum is the most used process in industry. It's a very preferred methodology for software engineering, as you can see in Figure 1. It's used by over 80% of software companies. So we figured that would be great for us to practice it in capstone so we could be more ready once we get to our careers with that. The only tools we'll be using for this, or the main tools, are Blender and Unity. Blender will be used to create the models for visualization, design them, render them, all that. Unity will be used to animate those models so that they can be moving and they can be interactable with the user. Because that's very important, it needs to be interactable. Any artifacts you have will be stored on either GitHub or a Google Drive. GitHub will hold any coded artifacts, such as Unity environments, Unity scripts, things like that. Google Drive will hold anything that is not coded, so documentation, maybe 3D models that don't fit into Unity exactly, and stuff like that. As far as sponsor meetings, we'll be meeting with our sponsor every other week on Thursdays. In these meetings, we'll discuss how we've done so far in the last 2 weeks, what we've done. We'll show kind of progress that we've made, ask any questions, any requirements that might come up, and basically anything that needs to be done in those meetings normally. Probably the most important thing to know is that Agile Scrum is what's really dictating how we're doing this process. So we're going to try and hear that as much as we understand to.